Hello. So, I have my binaural mics in my ears, so that's why it sounds so weird. But yeah, so this is the panel, and I thought, well, it would be weird if I don't make a video with some music. Not too sure if it will be ending up sounding nice, but at least I want to finish the whole series, sorry, with some music. So is this kind of in frame? I mean, what's there to see? Speakers that are standing. I can tell you shortly how it went. I did my crossover the day or the night before, so I was not too sure. And yeah, first thing I played, I was not too sure either. So we changed some stuff, we changed some more, and last hour sounded the best. And yeah, in general, I mean, there are people that like this kind of sound in general, and there are people that are more into horns or just small monitors or like omnidirectional monitor kind of way. This beams like crazy, of course, and some people like that direct sound, vertical, I mean, and some do not. And if you listen to such a speaker in a room, and I can show you a few photos how that room looked, you need to be a little bit further away from the loudspeakers. So actually not like I'm using them in my room, because, well, my room is not, it's not ideal, as of many rooms. Many rooms are not ideal. I could flip it like this, and yes, you can sit further away, it sounds better, but then I have a couch in the middle of my room and you cannot get around it. So that's the reason why it's standing like it is. But yeah. Let's play a tune. It's binaural, so if you have headphones, then use them. And I have a wall directly behind me, so that's what you're hearing if you hear some weird things. And when I listen, it sounds even weirder if I'm closer to the wall. So I will be sitting like straight up on the couch, which is a weird way of sitting. But that's what it is. And I'll move this a little bit further away. And again, there we go.
God wants sex, God wants pants, shillings and pence. God wants guilders, God wants krona, God wants Swiss francs, and God wants French francs. God wants scooters, God wants potatoes. Don't send lyric, I don't want small potatoes. God wants slow towns, God wants pain. God wants clean up rock campaigns. God wants widows, God wants solutions. God wants TV, God wants contributions.
Pretty cool. I like ambient or ambiance. There we go. Play and then back to my position.
Filmen.
Oh ja, ja, ja. Hoi.
Hoi,
Oude acties.
oude Philips.
Laat ik het zo
Geweldig.
zeggen, ik heb laatst een paar JBL-speakertjes. Kasten uiteraard. Ja. Oh, je bent
Oh nee, dit is SN7, SQ, kijk, 6 SQ7.
zijn wel veel aangepast op de nieuwe units, maar zoals het nu uit de doos komt, is van de set.
Ga rustig door.
normaal.
Dus je kunt voor weinig mooie les maken. Ik denk zelfs, deze nog helemaal, was dat dan niet? Nou, dan kan dit. Oh, moet even kijken, precies. Ik ga zo deze.
Nou, het is toch een lege kamer. Oh, wat leuk. Oude Philips open baffles, ja. Oma speakers, geweldig. Ik weet niet welke ik leuker vind. Die hele grote of die oma speakers.
Je gaat zien.
Ach jeetje, oké dan. Hey, hoi hoi.
Lord,